guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lauren. Thank you for subscribing, and to my returning subscribers, you are very much welcome. In today's video, I'm about to do another Madam Glam review. This one came in not quite long, and it came in with these puddies. This is the new puddy that they just launched, and when they contacted me, I was happy to pick up these three colors. Okay, this one is pink. It's pink, right? And then pink is my favorite color, so I love pink. And then this one is lemon yellow. It came in like this, like a mustard, but I really love this yellow because it's very bright. Okay. And lastly, I picked this mint green, which I so much love. Guys, the consistency of this thing, I haven't touched it, but I can seeing it alone, it's really nice, and it doesn't even smell bad. It's just the same as the first one that I reviewed, just that this one is the puddy, and the first one that I reviewed is just the regular gel polish. Okay, it came with this one. This one is the glitter top coat, and which I really love is a matte glitter top coat. It came with this one, and also it came with this cuticle oil. I opened it. I already unboxed it because I couldn't wait to see it. Okay, so this one is the cuticle oil. It smells amazing, guys. I love the smell. This is a Madam Glam cuticle oil. It's a blue color, and I love the colors also, even though pink is my favorite color. And also, because it's a puddy, it came in with this brush. This is the brush I'm going to be using to apply the puddy on the nails. You guys are going to see me use it. Give me a second. So you guys are going to see me use this. It's also the Madam Glam brush, and I really love the way it's very flat. Okay, so in this video, I'm just gonna let me put this back. So guys, in this video I'm gonna do the nails on camera. I wanted to show you guys what I'm gonna be using. So I think I'm gonna use their base coat, but this way I'm gonna do it is gonna be different. I'm not using polygel to do this review. Okay guys, please support Madam Glam. Trust me, you will not regret buying their brand, and I have a 30% discount. You guys know that. So whenever you want to shop, put your stuff in the shopping cart, and all you need to do is to copy my code Nails by Lauren and just put it down. I just put in your cart, your order, and then you're gonna get 30% off from it. Okay, trust me, you will not regret buying these products. And also, if you want it to be easy for you, just click on the link in the description box. I'm gonna put it in my description box. Click on the link, and the link is gonna directly take you to their website, and then you can order anything from there. So without no further ado, I'm just gonna dive right into this video. Support me, like, share, comment. Most importantly, turn on post notification bell, because I have subscribers, but I feel like my views is just there because a lot of people they subscribe, but their post notification is not turned on, so they don't really know when I post videos. Please go back and click on the bell when you subscribe, and then you get notified whenever I upload any video. So guys, the next clip you guys are gonna see is me starting the nails on my sister. So I'm just gonna start applying the tip on the nails. I already prepped the nails off camera, and this is our beautiful nails. I applied some oil and top coat because I want it to pop off right away. These are the tips I'm going to be using. I already sized them off camera, and I'm doing it as a press-on nail. So I have this 3-in-1 base coat nail glue that I got on Amazon. It's a Morovan brand. So, and it came with this little nail lamp. I'm just going to start applying the tip on our nails. So guys, I'm just gonna shape inside, file the inside of the nails, and then I'm gonna start applying the tip on the nails with this glue. So guys, I'm gonna apply this glue. Is a gel and at the same time a glue. I'm just gonna apply enough, and then I'll cure it. I'll apply it on our nails and then cure it for 60 seconds.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
So guys, I was unable to use this. I decided to use my regular nail lamp. For some reason, it was the wire is too short, so I couldn't use it. So you guys are gonna see me use my regular nail lamp. That's another idea. So I'm gonna apply this on camera again, and then I'll apply the rest off camera. So this is what we have. I'm just gonna do the rest off camera and I will be back. So guys, I applied the tip and I already did this off camera, so I'm just gonna show you guys this one by taking out the shine from the nails with my sanding band.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same.
And then I'm gonna go with my Macad ant file. I'm not gonna file it too much because she loved the shape and then the length. So like this is very perfect. This is what we have, and I'm really loving this, guys. So I'm just gonna go with my base coat, which is the Madam Glam base coat that I've been using. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it on all the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm just cleaning the brush with my rubbing alcohol. So first I'm gonna go in with this mint green. That's the design I'm going. There's a design I'm going for. Very simple design. I'm gonna go in with this mint green. I'll apply it on all the nails and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Can you guys see this? Oh my god.
Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
So guys, whenever you are applying your gel and it's all over the sides of the nails, you just need your acetone. Clean your brush, soak your brush in the acetone and then use it to clean the sides of the nails. So I'm gonna apply this one and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself.
So guys, this is the first layer. This color is beautiful, and the consistency of this thing, guys, if you want to start doing nails, start with this pudding. It's really nice, trust me. This is just the first application, and now I'm applying the second application. I'm just gonna apply it on the nails and then cure it for 60 seconds. This color is really beautiful, and this pudding gives you time to work. Guys, go and shop, go and buy your own. I have a 30% discount. You can actually use that. Click on the link, and then it's gonna directly take you to their website, and then you can order yours from there, okay? It's like you're using polyjet to do your nails. This is very nice. Please give it a try and come back to the comment section to let me know. So guys, I'm just applying the top coat, and this is my first time using a putty gel. Trust me, I'm not regretting it. It's really nice. So I'm gonna apply this, cure it for 60 seconds, and then I'll apply the design to the nails. This is what I have after applying my top coat. I'm just gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Guys, I'm gonna create a simple design on the ring finger, and then I'll apply maybe some butterfly on the other finger, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Guys, it's my first time using putty. It's very nice, but if you want to create some design, it's a little bit difficult because it's very thick. So I will really advise, whenever you want to do it, just apply it on your nails, and you can use something else to create a design. So this is what we have, and I'm going to also apply the pink the same way, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm going to apply some rhinestone on the nails. Just gonna apply one rhinestone each, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I'm gonna apply this glitter. Let's see if it's gonna work. If I don't like it, I will go in with my top coat, but let's give it a try, okay? I'm gonna apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. As they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. So guys, this is the matte top coat that I told you guys about. I'm not feeling it, so I'm just gonna go with my regular top coat, and let's see the difference. So this is the matte, this is without the matte. So let's apply our top coat, okay? So guys, this is the cuticle oil that I'm gonna be using. So I'm just gonna apply it on the nails. Guys, this cuticle oil, oh my god, it melts into the skin. Can you guys see this? I love the cuticle oil. This is the finished look of these beautiful nails. Please go and shop with Madam Glam. Use my 30% discount. These nails came out so well, so beautiful. I love this color. So we had to go with the top coat, okay, but it's still nice. So please, this video is from Madam Glam. Subscribe if you know you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Magic, believe change. Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.